Assalamualaikum. Today's topic is application. Application for character certificate and story The Shepherd Boy and the Lion. Class 9, subject English. First of all, coming to application. Application for character certificate. What is character? Character means kirdar, certificate, kirdar ka certificate. What is meant by character certificate? Character certificate is given when you completed your education at your school, and character certificate is given to you for getting admission at in higher classes or intermediate classes. So character certificate is a piece of paper which is a proof of your good character at school. So how you spend your time at school. So you were a good student, so the character certificate is given to you for approval from the school that your character was good at school. Now coming to the principal, then you have to put comma, ABC, the initials you have to write it in capital words, then you have to put comma, Peshawar, then you have to put full stop, then you have to leave one line, then you have to write subject. Your subject is application for character certificate. Leave one line and then you have to write along with your margin line, respected madam, comma. With great respect, it is stated that I have been a student of your school for last 5 years. I appeared in secondary school examination this year and got A grade. As I am going to join college, I need a certificate from you so that I can get admission in college. Kindly issue me my character certificate. I shall be thankful to you. Your obedient student XYZ, dated 19th August, 2020, full stop. So, as reading the application, you may realize that how much important is character certificate for getting admission at college level. With great respect, it is stated that I have been a student of your school for last 5 years. So for last 5 years she studied in the school. I appeared in secondary school examination this year. So she appeared means namudar hona or dena. उसने एग्ज़ाम दिए सेकेंडरी स्कूल के इस साल एंड गॉट ए ग्रेड और ए ग्रेड हासिल किया. एज आई एम गोइंग टू जॉइन कॉलेज, नाउ शी इज़ गोइंग टू जॉइन कॉलेज, शी इज़ गेटिंग एडमिशन इन कॉलेज. आई नीड अ सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम यू. इट इज़ a document which is required in getting admission at school level so that I can get admission in college. Kindly issue me जारी कर दें. My character certificate, मुझे मेरा character certificate जारी कर दें. I shall be very thankful to you. Your obedient student XYZ, and then dated. Now coming to story. The Shepherd Boy and the Lion. The Shepherd Boy. Shepherd Boy means charwaha ya gadariya, or in simple words you can say a person who used to graze his sheep, जो अपनी बकरियों को या अपने मवेशियों को चराने के लिए ले जाते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड शेफर्ड बॉय. शेफर्ड बॉय मीन्स चरवाहा. ये एक चरवाहे और एक शेर की कहानी है. नाउ कमिंग टू द स्टोरी. Once there lived a shepherd boy in a village. He used to graze his sheep in a nearby forest. He usually go to the nearby forest for grazing his sheep. Grazing चराने के लिए, घास, जब sheep घास खाती हैं, अपनी शीप्स को घास खिलाने के लिए he used to go to nearby forest, nearby करीबी, forest जंगल. He was very naughty, वो बहुत शरीर था. He wanted to make others fool, वो दूसरों को बेवकूफ़ बनाना चाहता था. One day he climbed up a tree and shouted at the top of his voice. Climbed up, चढ़ जाना, a tree, एक दरख्त पर, and shouted, और चिल्लाया, at the top of his voice, अपनी आवाज़ की बुलंदी पर, या अपनी भरपूर आवाज़ के साथ, या जितना वो तेज़ चिल्ला सकता था उतना तेज़ चिल्लाया, at the top of his voice. What he shouted? He shouted, loin, loin. He shouted that there is a lion in the forest. The villagers heard this and rushed to the forest. The villagers, गाँव वालों ने ये सुना, and rushed दौड़े, to the forest, जंगल की तरफ दौड़े. But when they reached, the boy laughed at them. लेकिन जब वो जंगल पहुँचे तो लड़का उन पर हंसने लगा. He told them that he was joking. उसने उन्हें कहा कि वो मजाक कर रहा था. Joking, मजाक करना. The people got angry and returned to the village. The people got angry. Angry means गुस्सा हो जाना. And return means वापस चले जाना, to the village. Now coming to second paragraph. After a few days, कुछ दिनों बाद, a lion actually came there. A lion actually came there. हकीकत में शेर वहाँ पर आ गया. The boy got frightened and began to shout for help. The boy got frightened, लड़का खौफज़दा हो गया, and began to shout for help. Shout चिल्लाने लगा, for help मदद के लिए चिल्लाने लगा. The villagers heard his cries but did not come for his help. The villagers heard, गाँव वालों ने उसकी चीखें सुनी, his cries, उसकी चीखें सुनी, but did not come for his help, लेकिन उसकी मदद के लिए ना आए. They thought the boy was again joking. उनको लगा, वो सोच रहे थे कि शायद ये लड़का दोबारा से मजाक कर रहा है. The lion killed many of his sheep and went away. शेर ने उसकी बहुत सारे मवेशी या भेड़ खा लिए और वो चला गया. What is moral? Moral is number 1. There are 2 morals of the poem. First one is once a liar, always a liar. एक दफ़ा का झूठा हमेशा झूठा होता है. Second one is never tell a lie. कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. So the shepherd boy got into trouble by telling a lie. So never tell a lie in your life. Now coming to activity. You have to write down and learn application and story in copy. Thank you.